As an Amazon Flex driver, obtaining official pay stubs can be challenging since Amazon classifies Flex drivers as independent contractors rather than employees. Consequently, traditional pay stubs are not provided. However, there are several methods to document and verify your income. Access earnings via the Amazon Flex app. Open the Amazon Flex app. Launch the app on your mobile device. Navigate to earnings. Tap the menu icon and select earnings. View payment history. Here, you can see your weekly earnings, including completed delivery blocks and payment amounts. Take screenshots. Capture screenshots of your earnings for personal records or informal income verification. Utilize tax documents. Amazon issues a 1099 NEC form annually to drivers who earn $600 or more. This form details your total earnings and is available through the Amazon Tax Central. Many institutions accept the 1099 NEC as valid income verification. Provide bank statements. Your bank statements, showing direct deposits from Amazon, can serve as a supplementary proof of income. Ensure that the statements clearly display deposits labeled from Amazon Flex. Consider third-party verification services. Services like Stubs offer employment and income verification for Amazon Flex drivers. These platforms can generate reports that may be accepted by lenders, landlords, or other entities requiring proof of income. Create self-generated pay stubs. If official documentation is insufficient, you might consider using reputable pay stub generators to create self-generated pay stubs. Ensure that all information entered is accurate and truthful, as falsifying documents can have legal consequences.